HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. All right, guys, right now you're staring at the Excursion, but I want to show you this right here, which is what we've been working on and building. So this was actually up at my mom and dad's, and they built that whole new awning for the campers. So all this crap has been sitting in my yard for a few months, and we finally got it put up. So this is just kind of some of the build pictures to show you what it looks like, and then that is it right there. Look at that. Pay no attention to the extra mattress, box spring rather. But we just switched out our beds not too long ago. So got to carry it to the dump. But that's the new awning, and it's pretty dang huge. It's 8 and 7 inches over this side. That side I think is like 12 or 13 and inches. I mean, yeah, 8 foot 7 inches and like 12 or 13 feet. I don't know if I said that right to begin with or not, but yeah, it looks really good. And then he went through and notched it all out for each one of these are set up, and then nailed all this in, bolted it to the wall, and this is going to be a nice area. Dude, it's amazing how much cooler it is just being in here. Now the AC unit is in here, but it's got plenty of room, plenty of airflow around it. I'm not going to block any of that, so it's not going to be a problem. And then probably run that drain pipe out that way, and hopefully get some gravel put in here. Should have enough room to park my trailer under here, hopefully over there, park a car right here. Just got to get some gravel in here because it's not too squishy, but it's kind of squishy. So anyways, got a pile of crap to carry off. Got some stuff I'm going to save. It's really, I'd love to save all of this because it's really special to keep that one piece of wood and one day use it 6 years later. Or never, just so you know that you have it. You don't have to worry about it. The brand new stuff I'm definitely going to save. Those were braces, but I can't get rid of all these right here. That'd just be an atrocity. But anyways, we'll throw some of that on the trailer and get rid of all this crap, and then move the basketball goal, park the trailer over there, do a couple little things. But I am super stoked about it. Thanks. All right, guys, we got everything moved out yesterday. Actually, we got the basketball goal moved, and that old bed stuff and pile of crap there gone, and it's looking pretty good. Now we just got to get gravel at some point in time. Well, figured I'd come out here in the rain, make sure it didn't have any leaks, and it looks to be good to go. No water coming down anywhere. Got spiders everywhere again. I hate these dang Joro spiders that keep showing up every year. They build it up. I made a perfect home for them to build up in every corner. But no, it looks really good in here. And it's obviously bringing the water off the end well. Nice and dry under here, and it is coming down. It's a heck of a storm right now. So some of the water is blowing in. You can see it's coming in pretty far, 3 or 4 feet. But the car's backed up in this area. Just keep it away, tucked in. Should be completely fine. Shouldn't even get wet if it's back far enough. Man, it is coming down. So we grabbed a little bit of gravel in here. Our dump truck is still down. Got a half ton of 57 in here and a quarter ton of 57 in there. So we're gonna at least put this out in the awning and see if that will give us anything. If not, we'll have to come back and get more. All right, guys, so we got the little truck, did about that much. Now we're working on the big truck here. Got Jackson doing some chalk over there. Whew. And ended up building some kind of form down through here, really piling in some dirt just because it slopes down so much on that edge. So catch some all this expensive gravel. Whew. All right, right, guys, so we dumped out that 1.25, so we got 3/4 of gravel, ton of gravel on there, and it spread out a little bit farther than I thought it was going to go, and the ground wasn't super soft. It was already pretty hard, so it's not like it's sinking up real bad. So it did pretty good. I'll show you what that looks like. But we just headed back and got 2 more truckloads of a 1/2 ton each, and Toyota says that this is a 1/2 ton truck, even though it's a tiny little truck. We thought, oh, there's no way. Well, sure enough, it held that 1/4 ton like it did nothing. And now, we put an actual 1/2 ton in here. It's driving fine. You can tell it's a little bit heavier on the motor. It's having to put a little more work. But suspension-wise, still got plenty of suspension, still bouncing, still cruising right along. It's not doing anything weird or crazy. It's not driving funny. It's just humming right along. Boom.
Remember that, kids.
All right, there's my line. We've kind of etched out here that they've already screwed up. But this is all new gravel right here. But essentially from this line back is all that 3/4 of a ton. And then the dark spot right here, we've just added some more there to finish that up, make a line across through there a little bit cleaner. And then when I get the AC unit moved, we'll probably finish graveling all the way back. But for now, this will get me a pretty good sized car in here. So, which is literally just the Fiat for now, which is pretty small. So I should be able to tuck it up in this corner completely out of the rain. So it's working pretty good. Little truck did awesome. All right, guys, so the trucks work great. We got them done. And it looks really good. Check this out. All right, there it is. Look at that. That's perfect. Pull right down in there, park a car alongside the house, not get stuck in the mud, grass, all that good stuff. And I went through and hosed it down just to wash all the dust off, so it don't boil dust. So should be good. But that looks perfect. I've been wanting this for so long, to have another spot to park in, another gravel off the side there. That's gonna work great. All right, there we go. Got the Fiat over here. Got plenty of room to walk around it. And it's amazing how big this little car is. How much space it actually takes up. But it should be completely covered, you know, unless rain gets really crazy. But for the most part, it should stay covered all the time. Got it tucked up against the wall. That's awesome.